still out here on the floor.
Let's learn Half a Cha. It's choreographed by Rob Fowler. It is a 32 count, 4 wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down each section of the dance using steps and counts. We'll then do the front wall with steps and counts, and then we're going to go around and do a full rotation of the dance or 4 walls. And then once you learn it, you can go rock it on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Half a Cha. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to start by walking forward with our right foot. So you're going to step forward, right, step forward, left, step forward, right. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and snap your fingers. Now we're going to walk back with that left foot. So walk back left, back right, back left. Touch your right toe to the right side and snap. Let's try that with some counts. Walk it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot forward, point your left toe to the left side, no weight on that left foot. Step your left foot forward, point your right toe to the right side. Now we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a touch. We're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot directly back, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. Let's try that with some counts. Step and point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, step your left foot to the left side, bring right foot into left, and we're going to do a left side chasse or a side shuffle, stepping left together, left. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left. So step your right foot over your left. You're going to rock slightly into the diagonal, recover back onto your left foot, and we're going to do a side shuffle or a side chasse to the right, right together, right. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on right foot. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're doing your side together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section, we're going to start by weaving to the right. We're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the side, step left behind, right side. We're going to do a cross rock with our left, so step your left foot across your right, slightly into the diagonal, recover back onto your right foot, and we're going to end the dance by doing a side chasse or a side shuffle to the left, left together, left. And that is the end of the dance. Let's try that last part with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. We just did our side shuffle. We're crossing over for our weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Let's face the front wall, and we're going to go through it one time with just the steps, and then we'll do it one time with the counts before going all the way around. Weight starts on your left foot. We're starting with our walk forward, walk right, left, right, point left, back, left, point right, step right, point left, step left, point right, cross, back, quarter, touch, side together, side chasse, cross rock, recover, side chasse, weave, cross, side behind, side, cross rock, side chasse. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it one time with counts. Walking it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. You don't have to worry about any tags or restarts, so all you have to do is practice those side shuffles. Let's do all 4 walls. On the front and back wall, we will do steps, and on the side walls, we will use our counts. So starting with your weight on your left foot facing 12 o'clock, we're gonna do our walk forward. Walk right, left, right, point, back, and point, step, right, point, left, point, right, jazz box, quarter turn with a touch. Side together, side chasse, right cross rock, right side chasse, weave cross, side behind, side left cross rock, left side chasse, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk right, left, right, point, back, and point, step, point, right, point, left, point, right. Jazz box, quarter turn with a touch, side together, side chasse, cross rock, recover, right side chasse, cross side behind, side, left cross rock, left side chasse, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're ready to go dance the dance. I hope this helped you learn half a cha. It is a great way to teach shuffles to new dancers. So I hope this helps you find a new dance to teach in classes or to dance on a dance floor near you. Thanks, guys.